Hi guys! So in this video, i-solve natin yung each problem posted sa Facebook page ng review serye. So to start with, ang pinakaunang step to solve this is to define a variable. So with that, let x, so di ba may dalawang taong pinag-uusapan dito? And those are Maria and then Hannah. So we have two variables. So we will use x and y. You can use a, b, you can use other variables, but for this purpose, let's just use x and y. So let x equal kay 2 kay Maria. Sige, lagyan natin siya kay Maria. And then, of course, y ay si Hannah. Now, next, after we define the variable, kailangan natin i-identify yung equation. So, pag binasa mo kasi itong first line, ayan, sabi niya, Maria is 4 years older than Anna. I-clue, pag may is, usually, ang ibig sabihin ng is ay equal. So, sabi dito, Maria, so Maria, x siya, di ba? Is 4 years older than Hannah. 4 years older than Hannah. Ibig sabihin nun, dagdagan mo ng 4 na taon yung edad ni Hannah. So, Maria, ibig sabihin ng equation na to, Maria is 4 years older than Hannah. And with that, meron ka ng equation 1. Now, if you will recall your systems of linear equation, kapag may dalawa kang unknown, which is x and y, that kailangan mo rin ng dalawang equation to solve for x and y. So, saan magagaling yung second equation? The second equation is makukuha natin sa second sentence. Sabi dito, if the sum of their ages is 30, so yung sum ng kanilang edad ay 30. So, pinagsama mo daw yung edad ni Maria and edad ni Anna, that's equal to 30. And that is already equation 2. Meron ka ng 2 equations. Therefore, kaya mo na i-solve yung x and y. So, let's solve for x and y. Ito madali lang yung solution dito. Ang gagamitin na lang natin is by substitution. So taking this x plus y equals 30 and base sa equation 1, remember, ano sabi ng equation 1, x is equal to y plus 4. So we'll use that. X daw is equal to y plus 4 plus y equals 30. Let's just solve. Y plus 4 plus y equals 30. And then 2y plus 4 equals 30. And then 2y is equal to 30 minus 4. 2y is equal to 30 minus 4, 26. Divide both sides by 2. So y is equal to 13. So pag bumalik tayo sa options 13, no, is this the final answer? By 13 sa option, may 13. But ang tanong is, how old is Maria? And Maria is X. Y si Ana, X si Maria. So we're looking for X here. And this is Y. So ibig sabihin, we need to use either of the equations. So gamitin na lang sa equation 1 na X plus Y equals 4. So X plus Y equals, ay, parang mali. Mali. Asa? Equation 1 ay X is equal to Y plus 4. X is equal to Y plus 4. So, ano yung Y? 13 plus 4. So, that is 17. So, X is 17. Ito yung C. Maria. So, Maria is 17 years old.